Hi everyone, I'm Deepak. I'm one of the co-founders of Daily Cutting. We launched this tool last year specifically to help you reduce the time and stress it took while creating short-form video content around sport. By you, I mean big digital publishers, smaller magazines. You could be an individual like freelance journalist, blogger, even coaches, academies, anyone who's creating content in the sports ecosystem really. What I wanted to do today was give you a very quick walkthrough of the tool. If you want a live demo, just drop us a line and we'll set it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is select an aspect ratio and a theme. As you can see, we've got the horizontal format that works for your website. We've also got different sizes that work across social media. Once I've picked that, I select an audio track. We've got a library that we keep updating, so you'll keep getting fresh tunes over here. That sounds nice. Let's go for it. What story should we be creating today? Let's say Ronaldo versus Messi, as if that's a contest really. Alright, so let's get down to the fun stuff now. I'm going to start by giving a headline. So new card. As you can see, I can add different kinds of media assets, plain text, images, videos, infographics, scorecards. We've even got templates for tweets and quotes, all very useful. I'm going to select image, headline. Let's go. Right. Now to upload an image, I've got different options. I can either go to the asset section over here and do a bulk upload. I can also just upload an image from my local drive or search in my library. And that's it. That's the first card ready to go. For the next card, I'm going to show you how to make an infographic. It's really simple. As you can see, you've got some options over here: pie charts, bar charts, stack charts, comparisons. Let's create a bar chart. I fill in my chart title, my data, a supporting line to go with that. Add an image. And that's all there is to it really. As you can see, we've moved away from a timeline method of creating a video to a more storyboard method. This, it helps translate a story that's in your head onto screen without actually having to learn how to use pro software and layer things one on top of the other, etc. It's quite cool. So let's move on. Third card, video card. Just like images, you can either do a bulk upload from the asset section, or I can call an image. Out here I can then trim this video. I can automate captions for the video, which I think is very cool. I can add a graphics tag to it, and I can also add a frame that will make this video completely look on point with my brand. That's how simple it is. Once I've done this, all my cards are lined up. I just hit publish. I can check a preview, or I can come down and generate a video, and that's it. It's ready to go. So there's one really cool feature I want to show you guys as we move towards the end of this little walkthrough. This is the story that we just created, Ronaldo versus Messi. Now I can clone this into a different size and theme just by doing this. And now, as you can see, it is ready to go up on Instagram as a post. It's pretty cool. I love this. And last but not the least, a very quick peek at our sportswear section. This is where There's just a small glimpse into all the automation that we do. So for every match, our engine essentially analyzes the live scorecard as the game is going on. It picks out talking points from what's happening, so goal scorers, assists, but also comparative stats, standout performances, and it creates ready-to-use infographics and lines them up for you, and you can just add these to your story. You probably have no idea how much time this actually ends up saving, not having to fill in data into tables. Actually, if you've worked in sports, you probably do know how much time this saves. So that's it for now. Say hi to Shiro, by the way. There's obviously a lot more that daily cutting can do than I was able to pack into this little walkthrough. Drop us a line, we'll set up a live demo for you, and we'll take it from there.